Seduction is an art that starts with confidence. Being yourself, feeling genuinely attractive, and being assertive about your interest are paramount, as men are often drawn more to self-assurance than to pure physical beauty. To set the scene, dress in a flattering way that makes you feel sexy, whether casual or formal, and consider a new, flattering hairstyle to appear more polished. Effective engagement involves maintaining eye contact, using confident body language, and incorporating light, gentle physical touches to show interest. Always find ways to flirt, using your unique humor. Suggest engaging activities like a game of pool, and be upfront about your desires, as directness about sexual interest is often preferred. To escalate the encounter, competitive games and shared sexual fantasies can build arousal. And when initiating physical contact, offering a massage to the scalp, back, or feet is a great transition, which may allow you to eventually focus on erogenous zones like the earlobes and neck.